Guys, Canada held its latest Canadian immigration, the Express Entry Permanent Residence draw, which invited 5,000 people. And with this draw, Canada has moved beyond the 100,000 mark. 1 lakh people have been invited for permanent residence so far in the year 2020. This is the maximum number in the immigration in the history of Canadian immigration, and surprisingly this came in COVID-19 when international travel was at its lowest. Please be tuned till the end of the video. My name is Sahil and I'm discussing this piece of information in detail with you. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice here inside Ontario, Canada. My office is here, and if you want to get in touch with us, my number is on the screen right now and in the description box below. Please feel free to schedule an appointment with us and we will be more than happy to assist you in your application any further. Guys, before we start this video, I just wanted to remind you that if you are viewing this video or if you are on this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever we talk about Canadian immigration, whenever we release a new video on any program or delivery related update, you are the first one who gets a notification and you don't miss an update about Canadian immigration, because if you are an aspirant, this is the channel you need. So guys, we are discussing the biggest news of the year 2020 during COVID-19, when the travel immigration is when the travel related immigration related applications are at the lowest. The Canadian immigration has just surpassed the milestone, the history of inviting precisely 1,02,350 people for permanent residence application. The invitations have been issued under the Express Entry program. Guys, this particular milestone was achieved when on December 9, the Canadian immigration, the IRCC, invited 5,000 people to apply for permanent residence. The invitation, the ITA, were issued to 5,000 people. Now, the lowest CRS for that particular draw was kept at 469, which was exactly same as the previous draw. And this brings the overall number to 1,02,350 so far invited in the year 2020. Now guys, since 2015, this is the highest number achieved, when in 2015 only about 29,000 people were invited. And this is a sort of a good news when you look at COVID-19, when the entire immigration is at the lowest, the entire international travel is at the lowest. We were not expecting this to happen, but then this was an all program draw, and we if it's happening during this COVID-19 time, you can imagine how good or how promising the future is going to be with respect to Canadian immigration. And you can also understand that how important immigration is to Canada, because Canada is a land where immigrants hold maximum number of positions. They're around everywhere, and the immigration is really important to Canada, and this has been acknowledged by all the departments, by most of the ministers, most of the people at the powerful influential positions in the country. So with this particular draw coming in, and with this record high number that has been hit, which is beyond 100,000, it is a good news. Hence, if you are eligible or if you want to apply for Canadian PR, this is the right time. You should be planning for it, or at least preparing your eligibilities. If you need any help in preparing your file, or to whether to see which program can be eligible under your profile and with respect to Canadian immigration, then we would be more than happy to assist you. We would be more than happy to help you. You can reach out to us on the number on the screen, or our details are there in the description box. You can schedule an appointment and we would be more than happy to speak to you and discuss your case in detail. Once again, it was lovely chatting with you today, guys. We hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.